Hi, friends. Welcome. I hope you are well and taking good care of yourself today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what EFT is and how it helps one overcome addictive behaviors. So, if you were drawn to this video, you or someone you love might be struggling with addictive behaviors. Maybe it's addictive food cravings or addiction to substances, smoking, alcohol, or maybe even addicted to destructive behaviors, codependency, shopping, the phone, social media, whatever it is that is problematic for you, that is disturbing the quality of your life, and you feel that you're having difficulty stopping the behavior so that you can feel better about yourself and your life, then this is the place for you. So, first off, what is EFT? EFT is a science-backed practice that has been shown over and over that it can absolutely regulate your nervous system. It can actually get you out of that fight, flight, freeze. It can help you to feel more calm. It can release stress in the body. It lowers cortisol levels. It helps you to be more present in yourself and in your body. It can also help you to unravel the deeper drivers that are keeping you from taking the actions and the steps that you need or want to do in order to live healthier and happier and more aligned. It's a simple process of stimulating the various meridian points by focusing on the various problems that you're having. And as you do that, you start to uncover and unravel the subconscious blocks that are keeping these patterns in place. It is shown time and time again how it is effective. As a matter of fact, we even have brain scans showing how it shifts the brain and changes the neurology of the brain in response to addictive food cravings. So it's a very user-friendly, easy practice that can be applied any time of day by you. And it has had a profound impact on me, helping me to overcome addictive behaviors and the clients that I work with and beyond. It is really a practice that has been changing lives. So if you're new to EFT, I encourage you to stay with me and to look at my upcoming videos that can help you to learn more about it and how to apply it. It will help you in so many ways to come to a place of inner peace and calm. So let's talk about addiction. If you are struggling with addiction, it's usually because there are deeper drivers that are keeping it going. It's not that there's something wrong with you. It's not that you need to be fixed. And no amount of willpower or determination can often help you to stop the addiction, because willpower and determination is in the conscious mind. However, the blocks are in the subconscious mind. It's usually unresolved stress. Maybe there's trauma that needs to be released and resolved. Maybe there are unconscious patterns and beliefs that are keeping the addiction going. And so the reason that emotional freedom techniques is so powerful in unraveling addictive behaviors is because it enables you to drop in deeper and get to the subconscious drivers that are keeping the addiction going. Another thing about addiction, it is a way of self-soothing and self-regulating. However, it becomes problematic when it impacts the quality of your life or it negatively affects how you feel about yourself. So EFT can be a very positive way of regulating your nervous system and self-soothing without turning to destructive patterns or behaviors. So if you are caught in addictive patterns, you need to know that there is nothing fundamentally wrong with you, and that if you have not been able to be successful in exerting willpower and discipline It's because there are deeper drivers that want to be released and revealed in order to create a sense of inner peace and calm. So if this information aligns with you, if you find that you are interested in overcoming addictive behaviors, then join me in this journey. In the next couple of weeks, I will be uploading videos that will help you to address the various aspects of addictive behaviors so that you can experience more peace and well-being in your body, your mind, and your spirit. If this sounds good, go ahead and subscribe. Ring the bell so you'll be reminded of when I do upload a new video. And if you're interested in a personal experience, I welcome you to a free consultation. You can go to marialipuma.com or click the link below, and I'd be happy to chat with you about how I might personally help you to unravel addictive behaviors and be able to be more intentional and at ease within yourself. Your health and your happiness matter. And as always, take good care of yourself. Bye now.